how many things are wrong with this setup here. Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I am in a crawl space in Bryan, just looking for things, I guess, that don't make sense, and I found one. I'm right underneath the living room floors. There's a line of main sill or beam holding up floor joists, of course, and there's your subfloor. Tongue groove laid at a diagonal. There's another main beam right there that's more also in the living room. Again, you can see the array of floor joists right through here, and then your subfloor. Very strange setup right here. There's just one concrete base with a stacked concrete block with some mismatched material and one landscaping timber laid sideways. It's not loose. I mean, sorry, it is loose. It is shimmed, but it is loose. You can see that shim sticking out right there, and I shouldn't be able to wiggle this around. So this is a head scratcher. Sometimes I get in crawl spaces, I'm not sure what somebody was thinking of. Up above in the floors right here, there is nothing heavy to warrant any type of support. Now, maybe in the past it was there, and I'm not saying this didn't serve a purpose for a while, but I'm counting at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things wrong, essentially, that I wouldn't do, we wouldn't do, in our area of Central Texas with this one concrete base block combo and a small little section of sill supporting virtually nothing. So, hey, in the comments below, you tell me what you think's wrong with it, and no prizes to offer here, but I'll probably chime back in with why you're right and some things that could be done to make this better if needed.